This is the affidavit. You will put your last name, your first name, and your age. Then you will check that you are a U.S. citizen. Unless you're not a U.S. citizen, but I'm assuming everybody in here is a U.S. citizen. Then this middle line right here where it says, the secure and verifiable document provided with this affidavit can best be classified as, you're going to write birth certificate. You will then need to take this document to a notary. Notaries are at the banks. Notaries are at the most public libraries, UPS store, FedEx store. Those places have notaries. You'll need to take your birth certificate because they don't know you, so they're not going to believe you if you don't have your birth certificate. And then they're going to tell you to put Augusta or Harlem or whatever, wherever you're at when you sign this. You're going to then sign your name. You're going to print your name. And then underneath this line right here is where the notary is going to do all their stuff. They got to write some stuff, and they got a stamp that they put right here, and sign their name and do all kind of stuff on it. And then they're going to give this back to you. This will have to be put up into the application for the scholarship. Now, these documents, if you don't have a scanner, that's fine. You can take a picture with your camera phone and you can upload the photographs. They will accept either the PDF form or a photograph of the documents.
If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.